Hello Newtonians. Welcome to the Required Skills for Mechanical Design Engineers video series. In this series, we're zeroing in on 8 key skills every mechanical design engineer needs to excel. Dive into individual videos for focused insights, or watch our all-in-one video for the full rundown. The skills listed here are based on my opinion and experience. Organizational skills. One of the biggest compliments I received as a mechanical design engineer was when I was told I was really organized. I would say that this is one of the most prominent characteristics of a great engineer in general. Usually, we are operating in the domain of chaos, and being able to introduce some order in that chaos could be a difference between the success or failure of the product. In general, you have different project managers making sure that everything is going according to the plan and the budget, and you have product managers making sure that the right things are developed based on the customer requirements. It does not matter how many managers you have and how many plans they make, you will have to keep your side of the project on schedule. As a mechanical design engineer, you will work with many people with different levels of responsibilities. For example, you will work with managers, marketing professionals, sales professionals, and other engineers from quality, testing, or production. You will have different teammates developing different product segments. Furthermore, you will have different regulatory bodies which standards, certification, or compliance requirements your design must satisfy. Then you, of course, have your own responsibilities from designing, prototyping, testing, simulations, calculation, etc. Then you will have to prepare reports, attend meetings, and solve problems. Furthermore, you will have to eventually create engineering drawings adjusted for different manufacturing technologies. You will have to talk with your suppliers and get quotes. Then you will have to set up BOM and create and maintain the data inside of your ERP system, etc. As you can see, the input and output information you will get are enormous. You have to be able to organize and prioritize all of your project work and tasks. Here are some tips on how you can get better organized. Learn how to use your email software. Organize your email, create project folders and subfolder, highlight specific keywords, categories of your emails, etc. For each specific project, issue, or topic, create an approval folder and keep emails with approvals there. For the things that have a big impact on the product or your work, ask for an email confirmation. If you get a request to do something, always get your manager's approval for your time. Keep 2 separate task lists. One with all the tasks you should do, and one with the priority tasks. The priority tasks always keep visible. Always write down all of your tasks, do not keep them in your head. Learn how your company is organized. For example, who is responsible for what, and who is a go-to person for what. Learn the documentation release process in your company. Always take a conservative approach when giving a time estimate for your work. There are always things that could go wrong. So under-promise, over-deliver. If your task is connected to other people, estimate your work with the if statement. If person A finish this by tomorrow, I will be able to finish my work by the end of the week. Standardize your report and presentation templates. Always keep the notes during the meeting, so-called meeting minutes. Keep your design journal up to date. Archive all the relevant information in your knowledge base. Do you have any questions for us? Let us know in the comments below. Do you like our videos? Then, give us a thumb up, comment, and share it with your friends, colleagues, and on your social media channels. And if you want to become a part of the Newtonians, make sure to subscribe to our channel.